Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm working on a use for my cat's discarded whiskers. I made a TikTok about this and I was just loving how many people save their cat's fallen whiskers as well. And somebody had suggested, making a little bouquet out of them. So I decided I was going to make her one. And this was it. So I'm doing some backstitch stems and using the whiskers just kind of as a baseline of how the bouquet is going to lay. And I just feel like this is such a great project for beginners. It is easy, it's fast, and honestly, it's very heartfelt. Like, this is a great memorial. It's a great way to get started in embroidery if you're like curious about it. These are all pretty beginner stitches. This is partially a lazy daisy. This is a French knot. And we're going to just fill this canvas up to make our bouquet. Somebody had made the suggestion of like using the same colors of their eyes for the flowers. And oh my gosh, it just truly melted my heart. And as you can tell, my voice is a little scratchy. So this was definitely a heartfelt thing that I was really happy to do and made myself feel a little better this week since I'm not feeling so good otherwise. So here we go. Just going to add some more French knots. I'm going to throw some pinks in there, some blues, yellows, and I decided the last little flower I'm going to add is going to be a little sprig of lavender up and around the sides. And I can't forget to put the little ceiling stitches in there. But yeah, and there you have it. Quick and easy cat whisker bouquet.